100 people are missing after an attack on an Iranian military vessel off the coast of Sri Lanka. Officials say 32 critically wounded sailors have been rescued.
Ubwato bw'intambara bwa Irani bwitwa Iris Dena bwarohamye nyuma y'igitero bikekwa ko cyagabwe n'ubwato bwo munsi y'amazi buzwi nka submarine. Ibi byabaye mu rukerera ubwo ubu bwato bwatangaga ubutumwa bwo gutabarwa direct call buvuga ko buri mu kaga. Nyuma y'amasaha make amakuru yemeje ko bumaze kurohama. Ubu bwato bwari butwaye abasirikare 180 kandi bwari bufite intwaro zikomeye zirimo imbunda nini, misile zirasa ku mato, izirasa mu kirere ndetse na torpille. Bwari bunafite ubushobozi bwo gutwara kajugujugu imwe ya gisirikare. Guverinoma ya Sri Lanka yatangaje ko yahise yohereza amato 2 ya gisirikare n'indege imwe mu bikorwa byo gutabara. Abasirikare 32 bakomerekeye bikomeye bamaze kurokorwa aho muri iyo nyanja bajyanwa mu bitaro bikuru byo mu mujyi wa Galle. Umuntu umwe bivuga ko yapfuye. Hari amakuru yavugaga ko abasirikare 101 baburiwe irengero, ariko umuvugizi w'ingabo zirwanira mu mazi za Sri Lanka yatangaje ko bitari byo. Avuga ko imibare itaramenyekana neza kandi ko iperereza igikomeje. Polisi yakajije umutekano hafi y'ibitaro aho abakomeretse bari kuvurirwa. Iyi nkuru ije mu gihe hari intambara ikomeje hagati ya Iran na Israel, aho Leta Zunze Ubumwe za Amerika nazo zivuga ko zagize uruhare mu bitero ku bikorwa bya Iran ndetse no mu nyanja. Igisirikare cya Amerika cyatangaje ko cyamaze kurimbura amato 17 ya Iran kandi ko intego yacyo ari ugusenya burundu ingabo zirwanira mu mazi za Iran. Nubwo nta gihugu kiratangaza ko ku mugaragaro ko ari cyo cyagabye igitero kuri ubu bwato, hari impungenge ko byaba bifitanye isano n'iyo ntambara. Abasesenguzi bavuga ko kurohama k'ubwato nk'ubu bushobora kongera umwuka mubi mu karere k'iburasirazuba bwo hagati no mu nyanja y'Abahinde. Hari impungenge ko bishobora kugira ingaruka ku bucuruzi bwo mu nyanja, cyane cyane ku mato anyura muri iyo nzira ajyana ibikomoka kuri peteroli n'ibindi bicuruzwa. Sri Lanka yo ivuga ko yakoze ibishoboka byose mu rwego rwo kubahiriza amategeko mpuzamahanga yo gutabara. Mu gihugu cya Sri Lanka abaturage bagaragaje ko bafite impungenge ku mutekano w'inyanja yabo, cyane ko ibi bibabereye hafi y'inkombe z'igihugu cyabo. Abasesenguzi mu bya gisirikare bavuga ko niba koko igitero cyakozwe na submarine bishobora kuba byari igikorwa cyateguwe neza kandi gikomeye ku rwego rw'ikoranabuhanga rya gisirikare. Iran yo kugeza ubu ntiratangaza ku mugaragaro ibisobanuro birambuye ku byabaye. Mu gihe ibikorwa byo gushakisha abakibura bikomeje, imiryango y'abasirikare bari muri ubu bwato iracyari mu gahinda, mu gihirahiro, ndetse barakomeje no kwitabwaho mu bijyanye n'imibereho myiza yabo. Ibihugu bitandukanye birahamagarira impande zose kwirinda kongera ubushyamirane no gushaka inzira y'ibiganiro kugira ngo bakemure amakimbirane yabo. Icyateye kurohama k'ubu bwato bw'intambara bwa Iran bwitwa Iris Dena ntikiramenyekana neza, ariko ibyabaye bikomeje gukurikiranwa n'amahanga. Turakomeza kubagezaho amakuru mashya uko agenda aboneka. Murakoze, mwari kumwe nanjye Niyomugabo Alphonse. Niba wifuza kongeramo igitekerezo kugira ngo uduhe komenti, byandike muri komenti. Wowe utarakora subscribe, share ndetse na komenti kugira ngo ujye ubona amakuru yacu uko uyahawe, uko yaprodinzwe kuri YouTube. Kora subscribe, ukore like, share ndetse na komenti kuri Maranatha TV kugira ngo ujye ubona amakuru meza asesenguye mpuzamahanga, amakuru yo mu gihugu cyacu, ayo mu karere ndetse n'andi yose muri rusange. Murakoze, mwari kumwe nanjye ni Mugabo Alphonse, mugire ibihe byiza. Ciao ciao.
An update from a Sri Lanka Navy spokesperson saying that they are hopeful that more people can be rescued in the waters, and they did not observe any other ship in the area. I mean, what sort of diplomatic fallout is there likely to be from this?
I mean, at this point of time, everyone is taking stock. I mean, the diplomatic fallout and any possible sort of implications would be connected to the possibility that this was just not, a standard sort of an engine trouble type incident, that there is something slightly more serious. At the moment, the Sri Lankan government is playing it safe. They haven't said anything about the potential causes of this accident. All we know is that between 6 and 7 o'clock local time, there was a distress signal that came out from this vessel approximately 40 kilometers off the coast here in Galle, which is just south of the capital in Colombo, and that they then sent out boats to try and assist survivors. At this point of time, sources tell us that there is no evidence that there was even a frigate or a boat in the water. So